Introduction to operational amplifier and its black diagram explanation. Operational amplifier is simply referred to the op-amp. The basic definition of operational amplifier is an operational amplifier is a high gain direct coupled differential amplifier which high input impedance and low output impedance to which feedback is added to control the overall response. This is known as a operational amplifier. I can write now definition here. See the definition. An op-amp is a high gain direct coupled differential amplifier which high input impedance and low output impedance to which feedback is added to control the overall response. This amplifier can be used to perform a various mathematical operations like summation or addition, sign change or scale changes, that is a inverting amplifier, integration or integrator, differential amplifier, like this. Coming to the circuit symbol of the op-amp. See here, this is a circuit symbol of op-amp. Here second pin is a inverting input, third pin is a non-inverting input. This is a plus VCC is a positive supply, minus VEE is a negative supply. Sixth pin is a output terminal. This is a circuit symbol of op-amp. Coming to the pin diagram of op-amp. In op-amp, IC741 IC is used. The IC741 IC is consisting of 8 pins. First pin is a offset null. Second pin is inverting input. Third pin is non-inverting input. Fourth pin is negative supply. And fifth pin is offset null. Sixth pin is output terminal. Seventh pin is a positive supply. Eighth pin no connection. See here, each and every pin is right now here. Here this is a negative input. This negative input is a inverting input. If an AC signal or DC voltage is applied in this, it will produce the 180 degrees out of phase. This is a positive input, that means non-inverting input. If an AC signal or DC voltage is applied to the input here, it will produce the 360 degrees in phase or same polarities at the output. See here, this is a black diagram of a op-amp. The op-amp is a multi-stages amplifier, that is it has a different stages. The black diagram of op-amp is shown here. This is the inverting input, this is a non-inverting input. First stage input are first stage, second one intermediate stage, third stage level shifting stage, and final stage output are final stage. This is the output. First one input are first stage. The first or input stage is basically a dual input balanced output. That means dual input and dual output. Differential amplifier. The function of this stage is to provide the most of the voltages gains of the amplifier and also establish the input resistance of the op-amp. This is the first stage of the operational amplifier. Coming to the next stage, intermediate stage. The second stage is the intermediate stage. This intermediate stage, this stage is generally a dual input and single output. That is dual input and single output. This stage is the output of a differential amplifier. Because of the direct coupling, the DC voltages at the output of the intermediate stage, it will above the ground potential. Hence, the level shifting is used to the after the intermediate stage. This is known as the intermediate stage. Coming to the third stage is level shifting stage. In level shifting stage, the function of this level shifting stage is to shift the output of the second stage down to 0 volts, which reference to the ground. And final stage is the output stage. The final stage is usually a push-pull complementary amplifier. The output stage increases the output voltage, swing and raises the current supplying capabilities of the op-amp. A well-designed output stage is also provides the output resistance of the op-amp. Push-pull for amplifier. So, emitter follower. Here gain equals to 1. This is all is the introduction to operational amplifier and its black diagram explanation.